Facebook or for Apple, they're taking away our pixel
Yeah.
essentially for tracking those Apple users. But on Amazon, you can't put a pixel on the website, and you
Right.
have in order to optimize for purchases through Amazon, you essentially have to guide the user and bring them through. I usually bring them through a promotional page, storefront, or things like that, where they
Yeah.
can click on a product they want, purchase it, and then I get my Amazon customer list, upload it, and then and then I have it where Facebook will cross reference that customer list with the Amazon data, and then it will start optimizing for purchases. And what's even cooler, I was able to use the Facebook API to see like kind of what Magix does, where you're able to see the conversion rate off of the particular ad
Mm.
of the particular ad, even though it's guided the Amazon, it's got the ad is for Amazon, and which is really fascinating stuff. And it's really great that even though that we don't have that Facebook pixel in place, we're still able to optimize for purchases. So at the end of the day, if all pixel tracking goes away, we still have the ability to use that conversion API no matter what happens, and eventually get those purchases back and really keep optimizing for purchases. Yes, it's less accurate, but that's what you get. At least you get something beside optimizing for links clicks, because you
Yeah.
know that's just going to suck every single time if you keep optimizing for link clicks.
No,